with Pulpit Nation, and today we're gonna have some fun with some satin gloves. Let's get started. So when you add satin gloves to your striptease routine, it's very cabaret or burlesque inspired. You want to think of like you're presenting first. So you're not going to go right into the glove peel. You want to take your time because these are gorgeous. So you want to do a lot of presentation. So I'm going to show you some presentation moves. So you want to pretend that your hands are covered in diamonds. So we're going to take a little step, and it's like we're going to show the audience our beautiful hands. A little shoulder swirl there. We can also do a flare where we pretend we have water on our fingers. We're going to flick the water off our fingers, and then we're going to extend, show the diamonds, and then we're going to slide one hand down and then the other hand down. Good. You want to take your hands, and then we're going to do a little slide down. So we're going to slide down our leg and then slide them back down, and then add a flare and slide back up. So it's very burlesque. It's very grand when you have the satin gloves. So take your time. Present, flare, before you go right into the glove peel.